Ano pangalan ng resort na to?
Fireland Beach Resort.
Thailand, Azen, Thailand.
Fireland.
Parang Thailand lang.
Thailand.
Ayan oh, wala na yung araw, paalis na guys. Bye-bye! Ganda. Nandito nga pala kami guys sa kanilang floating cottage. Ang ganda oh. Dito kami oh. At makikita nyo naman to in drone. In 3, 2, 1.
You have me, and I have you. That's enough to paint lonesome black and blue. Yeah, I have you, and you have me. That puts a bow up in the sky, tells the rain to cease. We've had up, and we've had down. We've had